Tornado emergency for Moore in South Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McLean County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Newcastle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Moore in South Oklahoma City. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a deadly tornado and baseball-sized hail. A tornado has been confirmed by trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Midwest City, Moore, Newcastle, Stanley Draper Lake, Tinker Air Force Base, and Valley Brook. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Oklahoma: Cleveland, McLean, and Oklahoma.